Okay, you have an iPhone, and when you try to log into Facebook on the Facebook app, it says login error. An unknown error occurred. Please try again. The box keeps popping up every time you try to log in on the Facebook app, and say you've probably been logged out of that or unable to log into your Facebook app for a long time. You know why? Because nobody on the internet has the solution. Now you do, because here I am. I figured it out last week. Actually, I figured it out this week, earlier this week. And I'm going to give you the solution right now, and then I'm going to explain to you how it happened to me and how I was basically cornered into figuring out how to fix this and why it's happening. Okay? First things first. This is the actual, real solution to this problem. You have an iPhone. You have an existing Facebook account. You're able to log into your Facebook account on Safari, on a PC, on everything else. You can't do it on your app, your Facebook app on your iPhone. And it might even be your second or third iPhone and you still can't log in, right? Frustrating. Maybe you even tried that Bluer app and got into Facebook and Messenger, but the Facebook shut them down, and now they're locking people's accounts and disabling people's accounts who are trying to use Bluer. It's terrible. Facebook will not provide the solution to this. Nobody online is providing the solution to this. Website after website, YouTube video after YouTube video with bogus solutions. Bogus. Reset your settings, reset your privacy and login, reset your network settings, reinstall the app. It's all bogus. I don't know how they get away with it. I don't know how people get away with this. And so nobody can have this solved. So you read the comments and these guys in India that are showing you how they do it, and you can barely understand them. And then in the comments, it didn't work. This is what you do. Okay, get in your Facebook app to log in. Okay, the same place you can't get into for now a long time. Go into create new account. I know it's weird. I know it's suspect, but just do it. What else? What do you got to lose, right? What do you got to lose at this point? Go into your create new account. It's going to ask you for all the details. You're going to enter in the same password as your existing account. Same name, everything exact, same date of birth, everything the same as your existing Facebook account. Okay? You're going to click create new account when you're done with all those details, and your existing account is now up on your Facebook app. Messenger works, everything works the same, you're back. Now, why is this happening? Okay? I think it's a verification process. I think it's Facebook app verifying you on the phone. It's probably a security algorithm or a software blockage of some sort of glitch or something. But it's the only way to verify who you are to your phone through the app. And maybe it's Apple that does this. Maybe it's Facebook that does this. I don't honestly know, but it's bottom line, it's a verification process. That's all it is. You can't verify you for some stupid reason, even though you have the password. You have to go in and enter all that stuff and then create a new account to do it. It wants your date of birth. It wants your name. It wants your details from your existing account. And then it works. That's the solution. That's the real solution. Don't mess around with all the network changes or resetting settings or all the bogus crap that's all over the internet. In fact, there's no solutions anywhere. I scoured the internet for solutions on this. And I'm going to explain to you how this happened to me and how I found the solution, okay? And what I did about it. So last year, this is a year ago, I've been locked out of my Facebook app account, okay? I was on my PC, I disabled my Facebook account for a couple of days, and then I re-enabled it. Well, after that, I could no longer log into my Facebook app on my iPhone. It just kept giving me login error. An unknown error occurred. Please try again. Over and over and over. No matter how many times I tried, it kept giving me the same thing. And it was on multiple Facebook. I have two Facebook accounts. And one's a backup, okay? And it wouldn't let me go into either one in the Facebook app on my iPhone. I couldn't do any account. I had to go in, there was no way I could do anything except create a new account. And I didn't want to create a new account. So, anyways, I'm scouring this week. I fixed it this week. I'm scouring the internet, and it's just one bad freaking uh, non-solution after another. And I'm looking through the comments through one of the YouTube videos, and I see a comment with "didn't work," and then I see one reply. So I click on the thing that says one reply to that guy saying it didn't work, and there's some guy saying this is what you do. He gave the solution in an elusive little comment in the middle of a bunch of comments on YouTube. Why that dude doesn't like get out there and tell everybody, I don't know. That's pretty annoying that he wouldn't share that with more, or do that more publicly so to help people, but he doesn't. He didn't. I did. There was a thread. You Google this problem on the internet, and one of the first things that comes up is a Reddit thread that's a year old, and all those people are left hanging. Nobody has a solution. None of the things worked, and all those people are left hanging. One guy said he's had the problem for 2 years. The thread's a year old. So I immediately got on there and typed up the solution, and immediately got responses with excitement about how it works and thank you so much and all that stuff. And I'm happy to help. It's frustrating, really frustrating, especially when you try to find ways around the problem for so long and nothing really works right. You have to use the apps on your iPhone for anything to work right. If you want to do Messenger correct and get calls and all that, and you want everything to work correctly and not be harassed by Facebook on when you're using it on Safari and they harass you to go and use it on the app and you can't because you keep getting login error. It's frustrating. But anyways, do what I tell you. Go create a new account, enter in all your same details, same password, same date of birth, same name, same everything. Hit create new account. It verifies you and lets you back into your existing account. You're welcome. Thank me down in the comments. Take care.